Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Spring always tends to be quiet in Queensland, but with the onset of La Nina, I'd have expected at least something to talk about by now. The best we can hope for is a storm in the south on Friday, Saturday, and a light shower in the wet tropics. 29 degrees the top today at Rockhampton Airport, more or less what you'd expect in the first week of October. Heading east, Yeppoon got to 24 and Gladstone 27 degrees. Let's look at the satellite loop now. Quite a lot of cloud along the eastern seaboard of Queensland, even more so out to sea, but it's being capped by an inversion, which means it can't develop high enough into the atmosphere to start producing showers, and there's been very, very little rain east of the ranges. By contrast, of course, there's a big cloud band across western Queensland, and it has started raining in the southwest, though not as heavy as we'd hoped. Let's have a look at today's chart now. The inland trough associated with the cloud band, you can see right there, and there it is from the Gulf of Carpentaria all the way down in the southwest Queensland. Meanwhile, of course, the weakening high in the Tasman Sea is being replaced by another one coming under Tasmania, maintaining a ridge of light easterly winds along the coast. On tomorrow's chart, the inland trough finally starts to get mobile, moves into central Queensland. Could be just far enough to kick off a storm on the Western Downs, but otherwise a dry day across Queensland. And on the outlook chart, it finally moves into southeast Queensland. Might be a storm in the southeast, and that'll continue into the weekend as the trough starts regressing again. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Capricornia waters, east to northeast winds, just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, but on that persistent 2-metre easterly swell. Friday's winds, northeast 10 to 15, pretty much the same again for Saturday. Tides are starting to go up and down more slowly with Saturday's half moon fast approaching. Tomorrow's high tides due about lunchtime on the beach, and it's not that big. The Capricornia district forecast, a fine and sunny day. No rain this time, with Gladstone reaching 27 degrees. 30 for Rockhampton, Billwheeler 33, Yeppoon 26 with a sea breeze. Central Highlands and Coalfield, some early fog, clearing to a mostly sunny day with 33 degrees atop at Emerald, Claremont and Moranbah. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, Friday, Saturday we'll see our temperatures peak as the wind backs around from the north. The chance of any rain in the next week is too slim to be worthy of mention. Don't forget, folks, if you're new to 7 Local Weather and would like to learn more about meteorology and the charts up on your screen, I try once a week to spend some extra time explaining a new concept so you can build up a knowledge base over time. Have a wonderful evening, and now it's back to the team.
Cliff, thank you very much, mate, and thanks for your company. I'll see you tomorrow night.
Just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on 7plus. And from all of us, good night.
Good night.